Hi everyone, David here, and today I'm gonna unbox and go through this B75 Pro Max mechanical keyboard. So to be honest, I've never had a mechanical keyboard before, so not really sure what to expect. But to kind of give you a visual of both, this is my Logitech keyboard that I currently use. So let's go ahead and open this up and see what we got inside. All right, we got our instructions inside. Ooh, look at this. Wow, that thing's heavy. It's got some serious weight to it. Not a bad thing. Definitely feels premium. Quality-wise, it feels really good. Wow, look at that. Now, as a comparison, this B75 compared to my Logitech keyboard, you can see the big difference. This is much more compact, which is actually really nice because it eats up a lot less desk space. But the quality of it, I really can't get over that. It's got some weight to it. It's got some nice rubber pads on the bottom of it. Obviously your kickstand if you want to prop it up just a little bit. And it looks like the nice thing with this keyboard too, as you can see, there's 3 connection points. You can connect via 2.4 gigahertz, you can connect via USB-C, or you can connect via USB, which is great. I'm always a big fan of the USB, but being able to connect wirelessly is really big, especially for those of you like myself that use Windows and a Mac computer, so you might have to flip back and forth. Yeah, this is really nice. From a typing standpoint, it's got a good feel to it. It's got a really cool sound to it. And it looks like there's a couple buttons, knobs that I'm sure you can twist right there. And it also came with this pack of buttons. So it looks like you've got some pretty cool icon buttons that you can put in as you see fit. Like I said, use this for gaming, work, whatever you may want to use this for. But that's pretty cool. It gives you those options to switch things out. Now let's power this thing on. Let's see what it does. This thing is pretty sweet. Like I said, I didn't have any expectations going into it. Quality-wise is very impressive. I don't think I've ever had a keyboard that's this heavy before. But it's really nice. Heavy in a good way. You could tell it's premium quality. Keys are really smooth. Sound is satisfying, which that doesn't hurt. And it's great for work, gaming, anything that you can possibly think of. The other cool thing is there is a nice little LCD screen here in the top corner. It can show you your volume and increments. It can also tell you what time it is and what setting you're on. So all in all, very impressed with this. I'm definitely going to use this in my office or out in my garage golf simulator. So very, very impressed. Great quality, highly recommend.